Hi students, we have learned about trigonometric ratios and its basics in previous video. Now we are going to solve problems on trigonometric ratios and its basics. So let's see the problem. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR is equal to 25 centimeters and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. Okay. So children, first we need to focus on the given data. Yeah, see. So what is given data? So what are the hints given in the problem to solve the problem? PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. PR is equal to 25 centimeters. And angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So first we need to take its rough diagram. Okay. So and they mentioned here angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So here I am taking a right angle triangle PQR. Okay. And right angle at Q. Q is equal to 90 degrees. And see here what's given, PR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. So this is the diagram according to the given data. Okay, now children, what we need to find? Tan P minus tan R. Okay, tan P minus tan R we need to find. So children, so even to find tan P or tan R, if you take tan P, so what is the tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite side to P by adjacent side to P. If you take tan R, opposite side to R by adjacent side to R. But children, here we don't have this QR side, so we need to find it by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. So see, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, hypotenuse square. So this is called Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And now children, so what is one of the side? QR and one more side is 7. And in right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Or else the longest side of the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Okay. So now in triangle PQR, okay, in triangle PQR, RQ square plus one more side is what? QP, that is 7. 7 square is equal to PR square, that is 25. So 25 square. Okay. Now solve this equation. RQ square plus 7 square value is what? 49. And that is equal to 25 square. 25 square value is 625. Now, so what is RQ is equal to? RQ is equal to under root. So first we have to transpose 49 to right hand side. Then that becomes 625 minus 49. Okay. And the square becomes square root. So square root of 625 minus 49. So that gives us under root of 576, which is equal to 24 centimeters. Okay. Now we got this RQ or QR as 24 centimeters. So now children, focus on what they are asking. Tan P minus tan R. Okay. So tan P minus tan R is equal to, so what is tan P? So opposite side to P by adjacent side to P. So that's 24 by 7 minus tan R. So what is tan R? Opposite side to R by adjacent side to R, that is 7 by 24. So children, here you can do cross multiplication or else we can take LCM. Okay. So suppose you can take the cross multiplication, 24 into 24. 24 square minus 7 into 7 minus 7 square by 7 into 24. Okay. So 24 square value is what children? 576. Minus 7 square value is what? 49. By 7 24s are 168. Okay. So minus 4 is 2 and 5. 168. Okay, so we will get tan P minus tan R value as 527 by 168. Okay, so once again see problem, children. The sides of right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR is equal to 25 centimeters, and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. This is the question. So we have taken one rough right angle triangle, and here at Q we have to take right angle. Here PQR. Now what is the given data? 25 centimeters and 7 centimeters, PR and QR. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we found QR value. So after finding QR, so we got QR as 24. Okay. So after that we found tan P and tan R. Tan P is equal to 24 by 7. Okay. And tan R is equal to 7 by 24. So 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. So by taking cross multiplication, 24 into 24, 24 square minus 7 into 7 is 7 square by 7 into 24. So 24 square value is 576 minus 7 square is 49 by 168. So what is the value of 576 minus 49? 527. So by 168. Yes. Children, now look at the third problem. In a right angle triangle ABC with the right angle at B, in which small a is equal to 24 units, small b is equal to 25 units, and angle BAC is equal to theta, then find the cos theta and tan theta. This is the question. So now children, now focus on the given data. Okay, so what is the given data? Small a is equal to 24 units, small b is equal to 25 units, and angle BAC is equal to theta. So children, so remember, so whenever they give 3 letters for representing the angle, so then angle must be there at middle letter. So this we learnt in earlier classes. Yeah, now according to this problem, I am taking one rough diagram. Okay, so this is the rough diagram. As I told, right angled at B, right angled at B. So this is angle B. Now here I am taking A, B, C. So this is the right angled triangle ABC. So and children see here, small a is nothing but, so whatever the side opposite to angle A. So small a is nothing but side BC. Okay, so that is what? 24 units. Okay, so this BC is 24 units. Now small b they give. So small b nothing but children, the side opposite to angle B. So what is opposite to angle B? Side CA. Okay, so side CA is what? 25 units. Children, here this is also hypotenuse opposite to right angle. So here AB is missing. That's fine. And they are asking us to find cos theta and tan theta. And children, one more thing, angle BAC is equal to theta is there. So at angle A, we have to take theta. So they are asking us to find cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. But AB is missing. So as we discussed in the last problem, we have to use here Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem, children? Side square plus side square is equal hypotenuse square. So we are using now side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, this is Pythagoras theorem. So one of the side is what? AB. So AB square plus this BC is what? 24. 24 square is equal hypotenuse square, that is 25. So 25 square. So here AB is equal to 25 square is what, children? 625 minus 24 square is what, children? 576. The square become square root. Okay, so you will get it as under root of 49, which gives you 7 units. So this is also C, letter C, small letter C, that is equal, AB is equal to 7 units. Okay, so children, here I am writing it as 7 units. Now what they are asking in the question? Cos theta and tan theta, right? Now cos theta is equal to, so we know the definition. What is the cos theta? adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So I am writing here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the adjacent side to theta? 7. What is hypotenuse? 25. So cos theta is 7 by 25. Okay, and they are also asking to find tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side to theta. Okay, to angle theta, opposite side to angle theta. So children, that is opposite to theta, what is there? 24. Okay, 24 units by adjacent side 7 by 7. So in this way we can find the answer. Okay, so once again I'll explain, children. So one triangle is given, small letter, so they told right angle at B, so at B I have taken right angle, and small a is given as 24 units. So small a is nothing but side opposite to angle A, means that is side BC, 24 units, and they gave small b, that is opposite to angle B, CA. B is equal to CA is equal to 25 units. So we have two sides, angle BAC is theta, so at angle A we need to take theta. Now by using Pythagoras theorem we found this length of AB, so we got it as 7 units. Okay, now yeah, they are asking cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta is 7 by 25, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to adjacent side ratio, so 24 by 7. Let's see problem number 4. Okay, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. Okay, so children, here in this problem they gave cos A value as 12 by 13. Okay, so that is only given data, and they are asking us to find sin A and tan A. Okay, so according to this given data, I am taking one rough diagram, children. Okay, so right angle triangle ABC, and they gave cos A is equal to, okay, you can take A here or here, and here I am taking B, and this is C. Okay, so children, now cos A is nothing but what? Adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. So this is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. And children, they are asking sin A and tan A values. Okay, so for finding sin A or tan A, so this side BC is must. Okay, so we need to find this BC by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so children, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here I am writing side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is called Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now children, one side is 12 square, another side need to find, that is BC square is equal to hypotenuse is what? 13 square. So now children, BC square is equal to what? 169 plus 144 becomes minus 144. So BC is equal under root of 25. 169 minus 144 is 25. Root 25 value is 5. So this is 5. BC is 5. Okay. Now they are asking us to find sin A and tan A from the given question. It's from this diagram we find. So sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse, and tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so children, so sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so children, here opposite side to what? Angle A we need to take. So opposite side to A is 5 by hypotenuse is what? 13. Okay, next to tan A. So what is tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. So both are with respect to A only. So you can also write opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. So So opposite to A is 5 and adjacent to angle A is 12. So 5 by 12. Okay. So children, in this way we need to solve this problem. So once again, I'll explain. See, they gave cos A as 12 by 13, ABC. We need to draw one diagram. So with respect to A, adjacent side by hypotenuse is given, that is cos A. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So with that help, with help of the theorem, we found here BC as 5. Now they are asking us to find sin A and tan A. So sin A is equal to opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. And tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side to angle A. So tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Yeah, students, let's see problem number 5. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Then find sin A and cos A. 3 tan A is equal to 4. So that's the given equation in the problem. Okay. So see students, 3 tan A is equal to 4. Now what tan A will be? So into becomes pi, right? So 3 tan A means 3 into tan A. So after transposing, into becomes pi, right? So tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Now what they are asking us to find sin A and cos A. Okay. Now I am taking one rough diagram. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3 is given. So I am taking right angle at B, and this is triangle ABC. And tan A is equal to what? 4 by 3. So what is tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. So to this A, now opposite side is BC, that is 4, and adjacent side is 3. But we don't know AC value. But they are asking sin A and cos A, where sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse and cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So in that, to find the two ratios, AC is compulsory. Okay. So how we will get AC? By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here what are the two sides? AB and BC. AC is the hypotenuse. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? Now what is AB? 3. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to AC square. 9 plus 16 is equal to AC square, or you can write AC square is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. So now AC is equal to under root of 25, which gives us 5. Okay, students, under root of 25 means actually plus or minus 5, but here lengths will be measured in positive numbers. So I am taking AC as 5 here. Okay, now right. So we have all the three sides of this right angle triangle ABC. Now easily we can find sin A and cos A. So what is sin A? Opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay. So if you see this diagram, easily you can tell. So what is there opposite to angle A? 4. What is the hypotenuse? 5. So sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So sin A is equal to 4 by 5. And students, they are also asking us to find cos A value. So what is cos A is equal to adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side to angle A? 3. And what is the hypotenuse? 5. So 3 by 5, therefore cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so children, in this way we will get the answer. So once again I will just explain this shortly. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Tan A is equal to into becomes by. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3. So I have taken here one rough right angle triangle ABC. So with respect to A, tan A is nothing but opposite side to A by adjacent side to A, that is 4 by 3. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, I found hypotenuse to the triangle. Okay, so that is fine. Now sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to 3 by 5. In this way we will get the answer. Students, I hope you understood well, and if you have any doubts, please post in comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Bye.